What's going on, guys? Today's a pretty exciting day, actually. We have new brake rotors. We finally got a set of Z32 brake rotors to match with the Parts Shop Max Z32 calipers in the front of the car. I put on the driver's side already, but still need to put on the passenger side. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, brakes. Asbestos. Brake rotor on. Alright, so after about 4 minutes I got the brake rotors on and the brakes on. All the cotter pins are in there. Everything's tightened down. Everything's looking good. Coilovers are adjusted and tight on both sides. Sway bars are tight and in. Everything's good to go. All I have to do is put the 15mm spacers on in the front and then put the wheel on, and we should be good to go as far as front suspension is concerned.
You know, you need some air in the system. Oh, you got this is your overflow thing securely wobbling in that spot.
No, that's fine. You're not supposed to show the viewers.
You, of all people,
What?
give me shit. That,
Hi, baby.
specifically. You helped me with that.
Well, we just set it there.
You helped me set it there.
But we just set it there.
You helped me set it there. Alright. You know, the headlights aren't that bad from really far away.
Should make it down the road. Doesn't feel hot. Says it feels weird. Misfired. He just got really angry.
Yeah, for sure.
God damn it. The turbo noises are good though.
Right.
Huh?
It's breaking up. Oh yeah.
The sparks just flew out of it.
Sparks?
Yeah, do that again. There's no guy. I think you have not enough battery to make the coils work under load. That shit's not working. No charging. Sounds good though. The lights are on all the time too. That's weird. Like even when you take the key out. Let's take the key out.
The lights are on?
Take the key out.
On the key's out.
Yeah, the lights are on. There's something funky's going on.
We got like 11.4 volts. That's not how cars run. Yeah, but that's enough to run the coil. Yeah, until you're at 7,000 RPM.
It's like, yeah, it's gonna blow up. As soon as I saw the big old cloud of smoke behind you guys and it was misfiring.
It was completely clear. No, it was completely clear at the bottom of the driveway when you were revving it. Nothing coming out. It's been
Except
sitting.
for those fucking sparks.
There was a little like it looked like a chunk of very hot metal coming out.
Yeah.
It was a little weird.
Yeah,
But, I mean, you're heating all this stuff up for the first time. It's
it's
fine.
To be expected. Everyone was pretty bummed that the car still misfires. The alignment is really bad since it was just done in the air. So I think me and Coose are gonna mess with the alignment a little bit. I don't know. See if anything else happens.
Yeah, no, we'll just save that for later. You know, people are always like, "Oh, eat your vegetables. Do the hard work first." Nah, let's not do that. Let's fix these rear boys. That's Coose's hot take.
Would it be totally unreasonable for me to sell this car to Samsquanch?
Oh, are you genuinely asking?
I'm serious.
No?
Safe. Safe. You really bent those knuckles. Really? That's what I thought.
We went to Ace Hardware. I got like 3 bags of popcorn.
Well.
They probably think I'm the weirdo. Nice.
Hey, it drives in a straight line now. Like
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the steering wheel's relatively straight too. So
Dude,
honestly,
nice.
I'm pretty happy about that. But you can hear how bad it's running, right? I mean, you can hear, like, it revs fine. But then once you once you get it under load, it starts missing. So I think Dad's right. I think it's a voltage issue. So I don't know. Let's get it back inside and I guess probably wrap this video up, huh?
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Hey, the angle gets pretty good.
Well, it works. Well, I mean, it drives straight. It doesn't work. Hey, the second drive was kind of fun because it was less scary and I could actually see what I was doing.
If I knew what a misfire sounded like, I'd probably be all like Samsquanch. Oh, that sounds like shit! But I like it. It was worth running down the hill for. So anyways, you want to wrap it?
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll figure it out eventually. I'm glad that it drives straight, and I'm glad that the angle kit doesn't rub. That's good. makes me happy.
That's a whole lot of progress.
That's a big step, but I mean, running right would be super sweet. So
We'll figure it out.
we'll figure that out next.
The next one.
Yeah, man.
Or the
Next
one after that.
Or the one after that. Probably like 3 or 5 or 8 videos at this rate.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
That's a really sad pump. It's okay. Yeah, bro. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
And my Instagram followers, they've been waiting for this one. Time to give them what they want.